Welcome. In front of me I have the Black Shark Pad 7, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into a recovery mode. So, to get started, you will first want to turn off your device by holding the power button, and from here you want to select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, though give it solid like 5 to 10 seconds after it turns off, just in case, as they do tend to be a little bit slow in turning off. So anyway, I'm going to now hold both of them. And you can see this takes us to the bootloader. If this doesn't show up relatively quickly like it did for me, then let go of the buttons and give it like a couple seconds and then start holding them again. Usually that happens when you start holding it too fast, where it just won't enter this mode. So if you give the device enough time after it turns off, you should be golden. Now next, using volume up buttons, you want to navigate it. So with that in mind, to access recovery mode, which is already selected, but sometimes it might not be, because holding volume up and power button sometimes results in it scrolling down when you enter this mode. So with that in mind, you can just click it a couple times till you see the arrow jump to the top, and to confirm recovery mode, press volume down. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here, you will be using both volume up and down buttons and power button as well. So volume buttons will be for navigation, down goes down, volume up goes up, and power button confirms whatever is selected. Now going over the options, in here we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. And below that we have Reboot to bootloader, which does nothing. At least there's nothing on the Pad 7 Pro. Bootloader was anyways the first screen that we actually seen after we turned off the device. Next we have fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests. Also have enter rescue. Okay, and power off. I'm going to stick with the first option, which I have selected right now, and I'm going to just press power button to confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will just bring me back into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.